Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you a very cool effect that you can do with text in Canva. So what is that effect? So we'll go over to my folders here, and this is the effect that I wanted to create in this tutorial. You can see here we have written the letter island here, and behind that there is an image of an island, and it looks very pretty. So this is the effect that we are going to create in this particular tutorial. So let's get started. The first thing is I'll go over to Canva and we will go to the custom size here, and we will choose a size of 1280 by 720 pixel. Now this is what I have decided. You can choose whatever size you want, and we'll click on create new design. Once you click on create new design, and we'll go ahead and change the background of this canvas from white to black. The reason is I want my text to look in white color. That's why I have changed the background of this canvas to black color so that my text becomes visible. And in this we are going to use our app called as Typography. So I'm going to go to the apps here and we'll look for the Typography app that I have. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Typography, and I'll go and click on this Typography, and I'll write the text here as island, and the font I'll choose will be Anton style. So that is the font I'm going to choose, and similarly I'll choose the color as white. So this is my color here, complete white, so make sure it is white in color, and I'll change the hex code just to be sure it's all F. Okay, so this is my white here, and let's increase the size of this island to in big size here, and we'll take the D also up, and then we'll bring like this. Okay, and we'll increase the size like this, and then increase it like this, and then take a little bit island. Okay, so this is the text that I've added, and I'm going to add this element to my design. Okay, so this is how it looks like, very pretty. And now what I'll do is I'll go over to the elements, and I'll add an element here on top of it, and you can choose whatever color of this element. It doesn't have to be of a particular color. I am choosing this pink color here of this element, and then I'm going to send this element to back. So I'll right click on it, and I'll layer it, and I'll send it to back here. So I'll click on send to back, and this is how it looks like. So I have a black background, then on top of it I have this pink element, and then on there I have this island as my text. I'll change the background to white here just in case. So I'm just going to go ahead and change it, and then I'm going to download this image here, download, and I will download it, and I'll call this as island 1 or 2. Okay, so I'll call this as island, and I already have an image with the island 1, so I'll just go ahead and replace it. Yes, so this is my image that I have downloaded. Now I'm going to go ahead and add another page here, change the canvas color to black because I want to show you what I'm going to do here. And then I'll go to the uploads and upload this image that I just downloaded. And here, this is the image I just downloaded. And now we're going to do a background remover on this image. Now, which background it is going to remove? So it's going to remove this white color that you see. So I'm going to go ahead and do an edit image and click on BG remover, and it's going to remove this extra white color that it has. And now we are left with this black background. Then there is an element of the pink color, and then this island text. But now this is an image. If you look here, if you go to this position, you'll only see two elements now. One is this island image, and then black background. I'm going to change back the background to white here, and now I'll bring an image of an island. So I'll go and look for island image here, and we'll go to the photos, and you can pick up whichever you want. So let's say we like something like this, so I can go ahead and put this image and send this image backward. So layer and send to back, and now if you want, you can actually extend it, and you can bring this image like this, and you have water here, so I'm going to go ahead and bring some water and then bring this image like this. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll crop this. So I'm going to go ahead and crop this image and crop this image to fit this size here, and this, and then like this. And then what I'll do, I'll change the background to match this pink background. This is the most important step. You have to make sure that your background matches this island background that you have. Okay, so there is an image here in the back, and then you have a pink background. Okay, so if you go to the position here, these are the layers. You have the image of this, then you have a picture of the island, and then there is a background of the same color. Now if we go ahead and do BG remover on this image, it's going to remove this pink color, and we will be left with this picture of this of the island or beach, and then your letter island. So what do I mean by that is, if I go ahead and share it and download this image, so I'll click on share, go ahead and click on share, download, and download my page number 2. So make sure I don't download both the pages, only page number 2. Done, and hit download, and then I'll save it as island 1 again. So I'm going to go ahead and save it as island 1, replace it, yes, and then I'll go and add a page here and remove the background to white and upload my image of this island 1. And now I'll do a background remover. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this image here, and this is how it looks like. And now I'll do BG remover again, and this is what it is going to be left with. You can see here I have, this is the picture of an island, and then the text written on it with the letter island on it. So this is what you can do within Canva. Isn't this pretty? Now you can play around with it. You don't have to use the Typography app. I just showed you as an example. You can just write the text island and play around with that. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.